uh, Today I am changing the bulb of my Kia Seltos 1.5 IMT, because this bulb is not up to mark when you drive on the highway. So today actually I bought this Osaram LED driving HL Premium Cool Light 600 Kelvin. So it's a 1-year guarantee. So actually I'm changing the bulb myself, because it's we don't have any service center. The nearest service center is 120 kilometers away from here, because I live in Gangtok and we don't have any Kia showroom over here. So I have removed this cap, and this Osaram this bulb LED, because I have already installed one and I'm going to install it on the driver's side. This thing, it's a very similar one than our stock one. You see the coupler, this is the coupler to coupler fitting, the same coupler. We have a same coupler, you can see it. If we have a same coupler, it's a coupler to coupler fitting, so you don't have to cut any wire. So if you don't cut any wire, there is no void of warranty. So I have already installed here this one lead light. So I am going to install another one. There's nothing here to install, because it's very easy. On the passenger side, it's very quite tough, because there's no space over here. So if you have a big hand, it is my hand is small, so I have installed it easily. Once installed, I have to put this cap like this. So once you put this cap, then your light is installed. You have to turn to the driver's side here. When open, you have to turn on the passenger side, so it's easy. So I don't have to cut any housing, this housing, so it's very easy. Again removing here, I have to turn. Wait, you have to turn like this, then it's open. See, it's very easy. See, if you cut this housing, what I meant to say, if you cut this housing and you installed another lead light which is longer than this, then you have to cut this housing. See, there's a mud in the housing, so that means the tire is spilling mud over here. So if you cut this housing, imagine how much mud will go inside here, this LED light housing. So this means that you have to have a bulb exactly the same like this stock one. See, it's exactly same, so you don't have to cut any housing. So I feel this Osaram, this is it's good fitting on this Kia Seltos. So let's see, let's put this light other side of this. See, here I have fitted the coupler over here. It's exactly fitting with this Osaram this LED light. So this is how I have fitted the coupler. So here is a very good the cooling fan also. So you have to put this inside here. There's a housing, you can see. So you can see like this, there is a housing over here, you can see here. So one, it's inside, so you have to turn. So this is how I have installed this Wasaran LED bulb inside here, because it's very hard for us to catch one camera on one hand and another to fit a bulb, because so it's very easy. You don't have to struggle any, but you have to have a both hand free